Hey Matthew, how's it going? What's happening, Matthew?
Well, won't start, no rail pressure. We need to try and fix it. We got mapping in 2 days.
Why is there an AEM fuel pump there, Matthew?
Well, I think my fuel pump's dead.
And how many hours until mapping?
About 48.
Yay!
No, we drove the car in this morning, it was absolutely fine. Went to, started to move one of the cars out, and nothing, dead. So, luckily, we have AEM pumps on the shelf. If we didn't, then we'd be screwed right about now. I'm scared for a Hamish.
Hey Matthew, what's wrong? Is the car broken?
No.
How's that fuel pump, buddy?
I think this is broken though. Is it broken?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you broken?
I filled this thing up many times, it never is this painful.
In the right hole.
I don't normally.
You got no door panels, no nothing.
This has genuinely taken about 10 minutes now. How do you feel?
What do you think?
Overjoyed.
So the problem was not enough fuel.
We fixed it.
What was it, Matthew?
The fuel pump is dead. This is the box that we've changed it out.
Oh, did we?
Yep.
It was a pretty quick job.
Yep. Because we're mechanics.
So do you want to tell them really what happened?
I think it was just low on fuel.
Mechanics. So, in typical Exoracing fashion, we forgot to film this before we started driving, but
Yep.
we're going to London.
Going to London.
And we're going to get the car back. But this is actually his first test drive because we only finished sorting all the problems out this morning, and it's literally been to a petrol station and now 5 minutes down the road. So hopefully we get to London.
With a bit of luck. Who knows? We'll find out. We're going to see one of our very good customers, wiring loom specialist, who may also help us on our journey, but he doesn't quite know that yet. And yeah, we'll see him in about half an hour. That doesn't mean anything to you lot, because half an hour YouTube term is like...
Hello!
Hi Hamish.
Hello!
Hello.
You have a nice meal?
I was just going to retrieve some lost goods.
And so now, next time you see us, we will be at a special place. Webram!
So, we're outside our friend's house. I say house, it's XDR. Let's go find him. I have no idea where he is. I think he said through here. Oh, there he is!
Oh, it's Prince Filmo!
Going? Yeah, very good. Very good.
Takes a long time. Oh, hello. We're doing all that jazz, are we?
This is for the internet.
Oh no.
Have you got anything to say to the internet?
No. No, I haven't. Welcome to XDR. The back cave of wiring right now.
Look at this yellow thing.
No, they're bolted off. But when I take the whole suspension out, I can still move it around.
Very nice.
Yes.
What are you making?
I'm making switch panels and dash panels
That sounds like fun.
for expensive cars.
I like how it looks like you're sat down being stood up. Look at that pose. That's a man that's been here for too long.
God, I've been stood at this bench for about 9 hours now. Yeah, it's all good.
We stopped to get fuel. We've taken a detour. And now we are sat at a train crossing, and we have watched 3 trains go past, and we're still here. So we're guessing we're about to witness the 4th train go by.
Yeah, I think we've probably been here around 15 minutes now. This is painful, we still have an hour to go. I think, oh, there's
There
4.
it is, the
There it
4th
is.
f***ing train. Screw
Course it
you,
is.
buddy. Look, there's no one even on it.
There isn't.
Not one person. Still no one.
It's so painful.
Still no one.
All they had was the driver. That was it. Great.
Prick. So we've made it to the hotel. We found a sausage. Matt's bed. Hamish's bed. Oh god! Oh god! So, real quick, Matthew.
Yes.
Oh god.
Yeah, we'd have to exit at like 2:30. It's now like 8:30. Just about got here. It's been long.
But thanks to Philbo for having us for a bit.
Yeah.
Prince Philbo, legend. And the car is mostly okay.
Yeah.
Still a bit of a turd. Throttle
Yeah.
cable still sticking a bit.
Mhm.
Or the throttle body. But apart
Possibly a fueling issue as well. We're down on rail pressure, but I don't know if it's the gauge that's broken or not. So
but apart from that,
look for that. Yeah.
everything looks alright for tomorrow.
Yeah. So we'll get it on the hub dyno, see what it makes.
And yeah, we will see you at Perfect Touch.
It's the one.
Transition. Where are we, Matthew?
We're at mapping.
Yay! Dun, 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 dun. Where's the sign? Oh yeah.
Oh God.
Oh yeah. Oh, bab, bab, bab.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Just plugging in the idle control valve to have that mapped back in. It's Matt's favourite job to do on the car. But we're here now, just waiting for romain.
Got it.
Ooh, yeah, buddy. This truck. Dope.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching the video. We made it all the way there, and we made it all the way back.
Just about.
With nothing but blown out eardrums.
Yeah. It took us about, how long was it? Like 3.5, 4 hours to get up there. That car is loud and it drones a lot.
Oh yes.
So both Varias were bleeding, probably more Kim's than mine, but you know, that's his problem. So yeah, we made quite good power. We made 460 at the wheels, which is probably a bit more than we're expecting, but it could have made a lot more. We're having wastegate creep where the angle off the manifold was basically 90 degrees and it should have been a bit better angled, should I say, to flow with the exhaust gas. So that was a bit of a problem. And there was either the fuel pump was being maxed or the feed line into the rail was too small. So we ended up kind of maxing out there. Otherwise it could have made probably close to 500 at the wheels. Yeah, so we needed to fix that. So we've decided that we're going to go for a full fuel system. We're going to get rid of the stock tank and run an alley one inside, run a swell pot, bigger fuel pump. We're going to go with 450 litre an hour this time, probably go up to 1300 injectors as well, and AN8 feed, AN6 return off the rail. So hopefully we should get enough fuel. That should be a problem. Plus, getting rid of the fuel tank means we have enough room for the all drive stuff next year. So we may as well just do it now, go back to mapping, get it all sorted, and then yeah, run the full drive stuff. So that should be good.
Lots of work to do.
Yeah, lots of work to do, but a lot of it's on order already, so we're just kind of waiting for that to turn up and then we can start putting it together. Yeah, so getting there with that.
But we just wanted to say thank you very much to Philbo, Prince Philbo, XCR Motors.
Yep.
For our coffee and hospitality on our way up to London.
Yep, that was very nice of him. Thank you to Romain as well at Racecal for helping out with the Honda, for getting it mapped and everything else, and all the support in between as well. He was really good with everything and it's pretty knowledgeable, so yeah, that was good.
And thank you so much to the guys at Perfect Touch for letting us stay inside their little warm cabin while we were there. It was the coldest day ever.
Freezing. Absolutely freezing.
We couldn't even have the car mapped with meth because it made no difference. It was that cold.
Yeah.
So that would have been a miserable
very
day waiting outside for 3 hours.
Oh yes. Yeah, so that was nice, having the heater on there. And yeah, so I think that's about it for this video. Next video, we're going to be showing you the fiberglass bung. We've already filmed a lot of it, so we're just going to release that in about a week's time or so. So yeah, that'll be coming out over Christmas. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.
Peace and love!
Stop with the peace and love.
Bye!